There's a fast and easy way to create screen recordings and screenshots on Macs, with an app appropriately called Screenshot. First of all, you must have at least Mojave or a newer OS installed on your Mac to access this feature. To access it, press Shift-Command-5, use the QuickTime Player application, or do a Spotlight search for Screenshot. A gray toolbar will be brought up near the bottom of the screen. It can be used to capture a single screenshot or a screen recording. For either one, you can choose where you want to save it and the length of the countdown timer. To capture a single image of your screen, select one of Capture the entire screen, Capture selected window, or Capture selected portion. Then press Capture, and the screenshot will be saved in a PNG format. For screen recordings, select Record entire screen or Record selected portion. Under Options, choose where you want the file to be saved and your microphone. The app can record your voice from either the built-in internal microphone or an external microphone, which is recommended for better quality. However, other system sounds from the computer cannot be recorded, such as other people on a Zoom call or sound from a YouTube or MediaSite video. Back to the Screenshot app's toolbar, press Record when you are ready to record. A 5-second countdown will proceed, and then the recording begins. When you are done recording, press Command, Control, Escape, or hit the Stop button that appears in the row of status menus on the top right of your Mac. The file will be located in the folder that you selected earlier. It will be a QuickTime movie in an MOV format. This concludes the tutorial on the Screenshot app for Macs.